Welcome to our guide on the TD Ameritrade trading platform. In this video, we'll explore its features and get you started on your trading journey. Let's begin by creating your account. Follow these simple steps to register and set up your TD Ameritrade account. Now, here's a brief tour of the TD Ameritrade user interface, showcasing its key sections to help you navigate with ease. Next, let's fund your account. Here's how to deposit funds so you can start trading effectively. It's important to understand the different market types available for trading. Let's break down stocks, ETFs, options, and more. Now for the exciting part, placing your first trade. Watch as we walk through a live demonstration. Accessing research tools is vital for informed trading. Here's how to utilize TD Ameritrade's research and analysis features. Organizing your investments is essential. Let's set up custom watch lists to help you track your stocks effectively. Risk management is crucial in trading. Here are some strategies to consider, including setting stop-loss orders. Congratulations! You are now equipped to start trading on TD Ameritrade. Explore the platform further, and happy trading!